Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will discuss the importance of querying the tongue as part of speech ethnic in Islam, according to the Quran and Hadith. Querying one's speech is one of most important aspects of noble character in Islam. Through speech, human can comfort goodness, but they can also cause harm if it is not managed properly. Therefore, this study aims to explore the correct Islamic understanding of guiding one's speech so as not to harm oneself and others. Based on the Quran, authentic hadith, and the view of classical scholars. In addition, this study seeks to explain the fundamental differences between morality, ethnic, and moral in Islam so that their application is more appropriate. Discussion 1. Definition and concept of morality in Islam. Akhlak come from the Arabic language, which mean character and nature. In the context of Islam, akhlak is phrasefully traits and behavior that reflects a Muslim obedience to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala and His Messenger, as well as kindness in dealing in fellow human beings. Guarding one's tongue is a very important part of akhlak because tongue is the main tool for interaction and can affect a person's social and spiritual relationship. The Quran clearly mentions this concept in Quran Qaf, verse 18. Not a word does be uttered, but there is watcher by him ready to record it. This verse shows that human will be held accountable for every word they say, so we must guard our speech so as not to cause sin or hurt others. 2. Hadith about guarding one's tongue. The Prophet Muhammad SAW said, "Whoever believes in Allah and the last day, let him speak good or remain silent." Bukhari and Muslim. This hadith emphasizes caution in speaking. If there is no good to be said, it is better to remain silent than to hurt or harm others. In addition, there is another hadith which states that speech can be source of happiness or misery. So, one must be careful in using it. 3. The difference between morality, ethnic, and akhlak in Islam. Morality is a general principle that distinguishes right from wrong, good from bad, and can vary between cultures. Ethnic is the study of value system and rules used to judge behavior, usually more scientific and normative. Akhlak is behavior that reflect noble character based on Islamic teaching evolved, known as the implementation of moral and ethnic in religion context. Akhlak does not only follow social rules, but emphasize obedience to Allah and the messengers as the main source of guidance. 4. Application of guarding one's tongue. In everyday life, guarding one's tongue can be applied by avoiding the use of hard language, insult, slander, gossip, and words that hurt others. Communicating faultily, honestly, and truthfully, thrifting, and reflection before speaking, ensuring that the words spoken are beneficial. Training oneself to think positively about others so that statements are not based on negative assumption. 5. Hypothetical case study. A teacher research up listen information about a student who is removed to have made a mistake. The teacher remembered the hadith to speak kindly or remain silent. So he chose to remain silent first and seek objective information with spreading the gossip. When the results are known, the teacher used constructive word to create the student. This active demonstrates the application of akhlaq in wording one's speech, avoiding slander and conveying constructive communication. The conclusion, wording one's speech is a form of morality that is highly valued in Islam as a way from maintaining social harmony and one relationship with Allah. But understanding the differences between morality, ethnic, and character, a Muslim can be more responsible in their speech. The practice of guarding one's speech is very relevant in modern life, which is full of rapid information flow in order to avoid conflict and strengthen brotherhood.